play to start.
What an awesome day at the beach!
Oh, yeah.
Yeah!
Uh-oh, that's the Umi alarm. Let's see who's calling on my belly.
Belly scream! It's our friend Jose's shark car. He's stuck on the beach. And Jose is about to get on the ferry boat with his mom and dad. Let's help Shark Car get to the ferry before it leaves.
Team Umizoomi?
Team Umizoomi, it's time for action.
Swipe up or swipe down to move Shark Car up and down. Swipe right to make Shark Car go faster. Tap Shark Car to jump over things in our way. Shark Car loves shells. Let's collect as many shells as we can. And remember to collect batteries to give Shark Car a boost of energy. Let's race to that ferry.
Team Umizoomi, it's time for action. Watch out for the sandcastle. Watch out for the crabs. Careful! Move around that ball.
Woohoo! More shells!
Terrific! A battery! Woohoo!
Woohoo! More shells! You're doing great!
More shells! Great job!
Woohoo! More shells! Blinking boulders! That big rocky jetty is blocking our way!
Hey, there's a locked door leading to a tunnel! Let's unlock that door! I know! We have to find the other half of the shape and put it into place!
When you see the missing half, tap and drag it.
Great job! You completed the beach ball! Look! The door is opening!
Here we
Go! Watch out for rocks! Don't dive into seaweed! It's slippery! Watch out for the crabs! More shells! Great
Let's drive around the wooden beams. Careful, I see a pebble patch.
Woohoo!
Whoops, lost the shell.
More shells! Great job! Great job! Oh, terrific!
Woohoo! More shells!
We made it to the dock, but look, the ferry boat is leaving.
I know. We need to give Shark Car the biggest boost possible. The numbers on these buttons are 100, 30, 70.
Tap on the button with the largest number.
Great! You found the largest number. 100!
Hold on to your helmets!
Here we
go!
Umi friend, with your help, we made it onto the ferry.
Thanks for helping us get Shark Car back to Jose. Look how many shells we collected.
I feel a celebration coming on.
To race Shark Car to the ferry again, tap the Play Again button.